Created by John Rowley, the E-Factor diet program claims to be a simple, proven, and patented weight loss system that can help you lose all the weight you desire, while increasing your energy, improving your mood, and boosting your metabolism. The E-Factor diet reshapes a person's body and it dispels a number of illusions about weight gain by explicating in depth what it is, why it appears, and how it can be scored out from the body, the author claims. Before getting the E-Factor diet, please bear in mind that some lifestyle changes may be needed, depending on your present lifestyle customs. This book tries to promise educational services to people looking to lose weight by telling the customer what to eat and the hidden factors that cause weight gain. The core to the book focuses on the types of foods you are eating that cause weight gain, simply by the enzymes that are apparent in the foods. Unlike other diet programs, the E-Factor diet doesn't fondly allow you to shed off water weight. It improves your hormonal balance and turns on your metabolism, so you can burn your unwanted fats off quickly. There are 4 types of foods that are recommended when you are eating the E-Factor diet, and each type of food should be consumed at specific times. The following are the 4 types: energetic foods, enzymatic foods, endothermic foods, and enjoy every meal as the final category. The diet then goes into specific detail as to when each type of food should be consumed. The E-Factor diet also puts up with recipe guide and a whole stack of advanced instructional videos, with which people can learn and teach themselves how they can diminish and get rid of all the excess body fat their body owns and gain muscular shape body in the shortest time possible. In short, below are some of the chief things you'll receive by purchasing the E-Factor diet. 1. The Weight Loss Handbook. This is simple step-by-step instruction manual helps to lose weight faster. This simple to understand publication will share to you the principles and pattern of the E-Factor diet system. 2. A market guide. This is your exact list of foods you need to eat for maximum weight loss. This includes simple and tasty foods. 3. A meal planning pattern. This removes all the guesswork on what to eat and when to eat it. 4. The E-Factor Cheat Your Way Trim. This is help you to enjoy your favorite foods and desserts. This gives you exact right plan to lose your excess weight. The E-Factor diet is fully customizable, whether people want to burn a certain amount of calories or gain muscle. They can customize this program to match to their needs. John Rowley E-Factor diet currently holds a ClickBank gravity score of over 100, extremely popular, and is the top-ranked health and fitness guide in the ClickBank marketplace. The E-Factor diet is the best program to help people who have a continuous struggle with cases of obesity. This diet program will transform your body into a fat-burning machine. The exercise routines delivered in the E-Guide could double your results. From this program you will shed excess pounds, feel better and look better, even you will enjoying the best tasting foods. After use this program, you keep losing weight or to maintain your current weight loss and keeping the fat off forever.